Good day, welcome back to my channel, Easy Web Tutorial Hub. Today we'll be talking about how to make money, cool catch, from solving CAPTCHA. I know a lot of you don't know that you make money by solving CAPTCHA. There are a lot of ways to make money online, and that's why our channel is here to bring those information, those hidden information, or let me just use the word, those far away information to people that don't have time or chance to surf the internet research. That's why we are here. So if you think or if you like what you are doing in this channel, please kindly subscribe and turn off your notification down below this video. We promise to serve you best to bring more enticing information and features to you. As far as this channel is concerned, we are here to help you learn different ways to be self-employed, different ways to make cool cash without stressing yourself. Just like today's tutorial, we are going to teach you how to make money solving CAPTCHA. There are a lot of sites that claim that they know that they pays, but we've done our research with evidence and proof. There are some that have paid us. So today we are going to let everybody knows how to make money from solving CAPTCHA. Let's start.
Drank all night, acted all alright. Had no need to fight tonight.
Good day everyone, and welcome to this channel where you learn how to earn money online. Today I'll be discussing a site called 2captcha.com. It's a site where you earn with CAPTCHA. So let me show you what the CAPTCHA is. You earn by solving CAPTCHA. Okay, so here it is. I'm sure you are familiar with this when you want to get into sites. Some of them have this. It's just to test whether you're a robot or not. There are types of captchas, as you can see, and this is how it looks when it's solved. So when it's solved, you have this green area. So now let me show you some of the best captcha sites. First, we have 2captcha, which is the one I'll be reviewing, with a minimum payout of 3, going as low as $0.5. That's very small. We have other options here, but I'll be walking through only the best, which is 2captcha.com. Maybe in future videos I can show you the rest, or you can just check them out yourself in if this doesn't work for you. But I can assure you it's a great site and you're going to love it. 2captcha. So here you can now either get paid or pay people to solve captcha for you, and there's always captcha to solve, so do not worry about not getting a job or something. So I'm just going to click get paid because I'm focusing on that in this video. Looks like my internet is a bit slow, sorry for that. I already have an account. You can see to create it you just need your email and password. So I'm just going to be logging in and I will solve this captcha. And as you can see, this is how easy it is to solve and earn. So once you just do this, you've earned. I already have my balance here, 0.04. That's little, but I just did it to check some things. I've actually withdrawn. I'll show you later in the video. Now I'm just going to click start work. This is where you'll be coming to get to start the job. Seems like my internet is a little bit slow. They also have an app. I think we'll discuss that later in the video. Well, I think we'll come back to that later. Let me show you the payouts. See, here it is. I withdrew $0.5 to my Perfect Money account earlier. That was some times ago. Now let me show you my Perfect Money account and show you my balance so you see this is not any type of scam or they don't pay. So I'm just going to be logging in. My details are already there, so I'm just going to be inputting these numbers. It's also a form of captcha, but not really. Sorry for the delay. I'll input the identity pin code shortly. Okay, that's it. Now here is my dashboard. Seems like they have to take a fee of $0.11. But here it is. I received the payment of 0.5 USD to my account from 2captcha.com. So now back to the site. There are plenty payment options, and you can see how low withdrawal their minimum withdrawal is, with all of them having 0% fees. You can see this even goes for as small as $0.25. That's like a quarter. The fee they took in my Perfect Money account earlier was from Perfect Money, not from 2captcha. In case you are wondering where it is, showing zero fees. So here it is. We're back to this page. I think it should work now. If it doesn't, let me just show you the software. So they have software for both Windows and an app for Android also. So you can see it there. They also have an app called 2captcha, but you can also get it from Play Store. But you also need to create an account here first. I think I'll be logging into another account. And here you can see the customer statistics, how much they pay. General statistics you should know. They have one of the highest payouts, if not the highest, because I've viewed most of them and this is the best. And I received my payout under 24 hours. In under 24 hours. So here I'm signing into another account, and you can see the CAPTCHA again. You can see how easy it is to solve. Already have a balance of $0.15 there. So clicking start work, I think it should load on this account. Yes, you can see how fast it is. So I'm inputting the captcha. You can see how easy it is. Enter, and that's all. You can see my balance. I just earned little there. So you can see it really pays and it's a fast, easy way of earning money. This is something even your children can do for you. And it's pretty fun too. It's not, if not for my slow internet, it should have been faster. And that's it. You can still view this here.